Yeah, only the day ones. Oh, okay. So yeah, I was going through some of my old stuff and I remember these were some of the first set of merch that I got, the curly band visor, because you know my head is so big. My head is fucking big. Even with straight hair. But now we're all pee.
Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. Cause when it comes to you, I
So
can't say
seriously
no.
guys, what's up? It's your girl Curly Bay. I'm back with you again with another video. Now if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that like button as well as subscribe, and make sure you turn on those notifications because you know how YouTube is, okay? If you guys were with me from the beginning, then you remember my waist length goals challenge. I've done a lot of snipping, a lot of coloring. I definitely went against my rules, but my hair is like inches. So when I first did the challenge, my hair was at a 10. I did recently straighten my hair and dyed the ends, like did like an ombre-ish effect, brownish effect, and literally my hair, I think I cut off like about 3 to 4 inches, like 3.5, 4 inches. But take a look at where it's at right now. I can't see, but later, if you can tell me, comment down below what that shit is. So it definitely grew. Today I'm gonna actually be putting some more heat on it. But yeah, my hair is definitely grown. Right now it's definitely stiff. I've had it straight for about a week now. Actually, today is Tuesday going into Wednesday. Yeah, so about a week, exactly a week to be honest. And there was 2 nights that I fucked up and I fell asleep on my hair. So yeah, it's a little, but it still has some movement, child, some movement. And then also I was a little greasy at the top just because I've been using this treatment, this scalp treatment, because I was experiencing a little bit of dandruff. And I've been using the blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment from Curls. Shout out to Curls for this dope ass product. Yeah, so I've just been kind of just putting it on my scalp and then wrapping my hair at night with a scarf, but then I feel like I just probably been over applying it. So I use some baby powder, not dry shampoo, but I used some baby powder at my roots to make sure it wasn't too greasy. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna actually put some wand curls in. Yeah, so it's been a minute since I've done some wand curls. Yeah, right now I can't even find my freaking glove, my heat glove. So let's hope that my nails don't melt off like the last time. And guys, get into this brush from Forever 21. They have some really cute brushes. So if your hair is straight, this is what's been helping my hair survive lately. And it's been making my hair less staticky. So what I'm gonna do is just take the knots out. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my ponytail. Like, I don't even think when I had a perm, my hair was ever this long. It was long, but it wasn't that long, like. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys are ready to see me go ahead and do some wand curls in this bitch, stay tuned and let go. Okay guys, I am starting off on my greasy ass day 45 hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and separate it because I always start from the back. Ew. Gonna pin up the rest with this cool clip that I got from Sally's. So I'm working with a personal favorite, Turn Up the Heat by Beyond the Zone. It's so amazing and it definitely protects my hair. Yeah, I use my wand curler at 410, girl, 410. But that's because I have more coarse hair, so I would need to actually put it up that high. Now, I'll go ahead and show you how the method that I do because I'm doing a more looser curl in this video. You don't want to end up like this girl, so pay attention. Yeah, so what I do is I loosely wrap my hair upwards on the curl wand. So I'll go ahead and show you in this one here. So I start from mid hair just because I want a looser curl, but if you want a tighter curl you would have to go closer towards the hair, and I'm not about that life today. No, but moving upward is going to get you that defined curl at the end, and that's more so what you're looking for. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest. So now that I have gone through my entire hair, I now have to style it. So it's flat right now. I'm gonna fluff it up by parting it down on the other side. Just because I love a side part. I really do. And boom, volume for days. Look at how bouncy it is. I really love my hair like this. Honestly, I wish I didn't make the mistake and brush it out the next day. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you coming to my channel every Wednesday. Sometimes the videos are here, sometimes they're not, but you know I'm trying to get it together, okay? Yeah, so I just want to go ahead and get into this look real quick. Yeah, it's just so that I was able to revive my blowout because of course the bone straight isn't working. Now that I am getting the frizzy look, just let me know down in the comment box below, how do you style your hair when it's going out of style? Shout out to the comment winner. Anyways guys, I really do appreciate you coming to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. And remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are Curly Bae. Besos.